Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your farm name on the Heyday game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Heyday game on your device, and after the game is fully loaded and you have completed the basic tutorial levels, you will gain access to the entire game. Now, once you can freely move around within your game, if you wish to change the name of your farm, then simply tap on the menu icon at the top left corner and then click on Settings. From the settings page, you will directly find the change farm name option. Go ahead and tap on it, and now you can change your farm name into whatever you wish. Just type in your desired name for your farm and tap on the tick mark, and your farm name will immediately be changed. You can come back to this menu as many times as you want in order to change your farm name within the Heyday game. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your Heyday farm name. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.